boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. Thank you for your support of The Scoop. Thank you for your support of the teas. Thank you for your support of the books, my friends. As you know, we're a show about your marijuana and your cannabis investments, my friends. Not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I dig deep into these companies and I put it in black and white for you, my friends. You can get all our books on Amazon.com. You get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. They're playing tricks now with the marijuana sector, so you may have to dig a little bit and find them and find those companies because there's a lot going on, my friends. Just came back from the expo there in Los Angeles. You can take a look at the playlist. You can see some of the shows there and some of the interesting people that I had the opportunity to interview there and talk to them. There was a cloud over the industry, of course, with the vaping and all, the vaping deaths and all. But I believe, like so many of the others there, that I believe this is going to come and go because they're blaming it on the black market, and all evidence is pointing to the black market right now. Nothing that's been tested, and none of the companies that we basically deal with have anything to do with that. So, but there's a cloud over the industry, and overall, it's kind of sinking things a little bit, and it wasn't the expo wasn't as attended as well as it was in prior years. So, it was what it was. The industry's moving on. This past week, my friends, we had a couple days of where we were green, we were positive. A couple days, like I said, that does not make a trend or any type of turn in the industry. We're still on our way south a little bit, but my friends, this is the time when you take a second look at some of these companies. I know a lot of us have been stopped out. A lot of us have cash. A lot of us on the sidelines right now, waiting. If you don't have, if you're not shorting and going the other way, which I'm not shorting anything here. Actually, I'm looking, and I'm going to tell you about 6 stocks that I'm looking at right now that are profitable or on their way to becoming profitable, and are just like next, right around the corner. And the prices right now for these stocks are really really good right now, my friends. And I'll tell you more about them here in a second. A lot of them you've heard, some of them you have not. You're not. We don't talk about a lot, but these stocks are right on the verge. Nope, they don't have any lawsuits against them. They don't have any liens or anything against them. Even though a company might show profitability on paper, there's some stuff in the background that I don't like on some companies that are profitable right now, because there's the shoe is about to drop on some of these companies, my friends, and that's from our research, and all indications are, as we look deeper and deeper for companies, I'm looking for another aircraft carrier. As you know, part of last year, IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, kind of carried the scoop, carried our account for a long time. We caught it as a teenager, 17, 18, 19. Stock went up to, $139, $140. Of course, on the way down, we were stopped out at just under 100. So all our shares are gone now. We have a lot. We have cash on the sidelines. But I'm going to put that cash to work, and I'm going to tell you exactly these areas, these 6 stocks, these areas where I'm going to put that cash to work. My friends, I'd like for you guys to take a look. Also, take a look at the videos from the expo there in Los Angeles, and tell me what you think on some of those. If you're not a member, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. As you know, we do technical analysis, my friends. We look at those charts. We look at those 50, those 200-day moving averages. We do fundamental analysis. We take a look at what's going on with the numbers of the company and where the company's going, and those press releases and whether they're true or not. We do something a lot of other people don't do, is we do physical analysis. Now, during the .coms, this is one thing I mastered. We'd go out and we take a look at these companies and find out exactly what's going on. We talk to the people. We find out what's going on with the companies. I think the other day I was at Green Growth Brands. I had gone to 3 of their facilities in Las Vegas, and I received I forget the gentleman's name, but he said, "What were you guys all on the payroll or something?" It was just coincidental that on that same day, I believe Midas Touch, Rich TV Live, Ventures Capital, and some of the other quite a few of the little companies, quite a few of the other guys. We all did the same, the Scoop. We did the same company. So it purely coincidental, my friends. There was no one when I went out and looked at their 3 different facilities in Las Vegas, and I wanted to get in a good idea. I go, we're boots on the ground, and we go right there to them and talk to the managers, talk to the people, find out what's going on with the employees, find out what's going on with the executives there. Do you guys know about this? Do you guys know this office is doing? We kind of, find out exactly what. It was purely coincidental that we all did the same company that day. Purely coincidental. I'm not on anyone's payroll. None of these companies pay me a single dime, my friends, and I'm going to keep it that way. I don't get paid for doing anything with these companies. Sure, you get benefits by people calling you and telling you, hey, this company's that. People will text you, email you, this company's having a grand opening. This company's going to do this. This company might do something, man. You want to take a look at it. You get that kind of feel from these companies. But there's no way, shape, or form that any of us, any of the YouTubers, at least I can speak for myself and I can speak for the Scoop, our integrity is impeccable. So we're not even associated with getting paid for any of these companies. I mean, we've been going to some of these companies now for years and years, and there's been never any money handed over at all, my friends. But with that said, and that was kind of funny. I thought it was comical that I asked him. I said, set it up, man, so I can go ahead and next time I go, I can get a check or something. Set it up for me. But anyway, we laughed about it. It was a joke. My books, my friends, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there, and you can use in any market for the rest of your life. It's just with the books, it's just a talking point, my friends. You wear your shirt and you go around, and it's just a talking point. You picked up, I picked up Canopy at under $3 when I read this book, or I picked up Aurora at 38 cents when I read this book. Just a talking point, my friends. How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club, my friends, is out there right now. It's one of our #1 sellers right now. It has all the information that you need to start a marijuana investment club, my friends. All the information from A to Z, my friends. Largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world is out there right now. There's a lot going on, my friends. You really need to. Marijuana today, uranium, vanadium, and uranium tomorrow. Companies you can get into early, hold, and grow rich is out there right now. It's a mini book. It also lists some gold stocks in there. Do not discount the uranium vanadium market, my friends, because we may have some action this month. We have conferences, we have things supposed to be turned over. The study group, they're supposed to turn some stuff over to president. You never know what the president's going to do from day to day. He might sign. There's no telling. He's unpredictable and he likes it that way. So he may sign something. You never know. Investing at any age, start early or catch a mega trend is out there, my friends. For you family readers, you want to get your family involved in the African Marijuana Gold Mine is out there, my friends. Richmond on Soil meets Wall Street. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis is out there. Buying before, during, or after legalization. My friends, Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments is out there. Great book for your library, my friends. And there'll be several others to come, my friends. But as we focus on the marijuana stocks, the marijuana industry, what I want to talk to you today about is 6 stocks that I want you to add, if you haven't added them already, to your watch list. My friends, your watch list is very, very important here over the next few weeks and few months to come. And I talk about it in here in Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. I really want you to refine your watch list, because there's probably stocks right now that should go back to the back end of your watch list, my friends, because as the market goes down, which it has the last 6-7 months, we've just been beat up. These stocks have been just murdered. And as they get hit like they are, some of those like baby knockouts where management is really not pushing it right now because the market is going down, and there's a reason. There's a reason managers do certain things, and company executives do certain things. So why keep hitting your head against the wall when there's nothing really happening in the industry? So a lot of times we can criticize them. They're not doing this or they're not doing that. Sometimes there's a reason that they're not doing this or that, and we just gotta play with it. I'm gonna give you though this is why I'm gonna give you these 6 stocks right now. I want you to put them on your watch list. If you don't have some criteria for these, my friends, they have to be profitable, or they have to be in position to be profitable. They have to be in position to just dominate a certain area, just dominate what's going on right now in their particular area. Whether that's CBDs, whether that's growing, whatever it is. Whatever it is, my friends, they have to be dominant in that particular area. And they have to be undervalued right now. Most of them, the values have been cut at least 30, 40, some have been cut in half right now. So we keep these on our list, and I'm looking to either add to my position, or I'm looking to, excuse me, I'm looking to add to my position, or I'm looking to take an initial position out there right now, my friends. Let me name these stocks for you. First stock I want to name for you is GW Pharma, GWPH on the exchange. $118 US stock, $157 Canadian stock. Now, it's high priced, but my friends, I'm in the position right now where IIPR, I'm looking to really replace IIPR because innovative industrial properties that we got real early, because I don't like what's going on, the legislative part. Right now, IIPR could take a little hit if things go as we anticipate them to go in Washington. Now, we never know what's going to come out of Washington, but we're anticipating something possibly good to come out of Washington. Something good comes out of Washington, and the lending is they're going to ease up on lending restrictions. Then IIPR, there's a possibility IIPR will be hit pretty hard. So I was replacing that with GW Pharma, and I think GW Pharma at 118, 115, actually 110, 120, I think is a respectable area. It will go much higher based on earnings, and all these companies I'm naming to you will go much higher based on earnings. That includes GW Pharma. Next stock I want to tell you about is Charlotte's Web, CWeb on the CSE, CWBHF on the over the counter. Now, CWBHF, Charlotte's Web, $14.10 USD. Now we're looking at roughly 1879 Canadian. So I believe at this level, Charlotte's Web is a good buy right now. Charlotte's Web has pretty much not really been hit extremely hard here lately, but they've been hit like all the other stocks. But I believe it's a profitable company, and it's just going to be more and more profit with Charlotte's Web. Next company I want to tell you about is Trulieve. Now, Trulieve is a TRUL on the Canadian Stock Exchange, TCNNF on the over the counter. We're talking about a $9.44 stock. We're talking about $12.58 Canadian. Now, Trulieve is a company that pretty much has locked up Florida. So that's a good thing. They've locked up Florida, and Trulieve is doing their thing. As far as them expanding, yes, they're expanding. Believe me, my friends, when I was talking earlier about companies with liens and lawsuits and stuff, Kim, the CEO, I don't know why first name, she'll steal and kill for this company, my friends. Kim will steal and kill for this company. If she has to, her husband, she loves him, but if he's causing a problem or something, Kim is that type of person that I wouldn't say she'd divorce her husband or whatever, That's inside baseball there. They can handle that. But she will do whatever it takes to keep her company on top. That's Trulieve, my friends, Trulieve. Third company I want to tell you about is Green Thumb Industries, GTBIF. Now, Green Thumb Industries is a company that we've been to a couple times. I'll be visiting them the next week. GTBIF on the over the counter, and GTII on the Toronto, on the Canadian Stock Exchange, CSE. $9.43 is what they are, USD, $9.43. So that would put them about $12.50, $12.60 or so, 65, what have you, Canadian dollars, my friends. They are a company to be reckoned with. I put them in the same area, kind of Creslow, but I'm not putting them with Creslow Labs. This is a profitable type, or on the verge. Creslow Labs is there, but this is on the verge of profitability and making a whole lot of money, and they will profit from anything, any type of legislation. Them being a multi-state operator, which most of these are, my friends. But that's another company that is doing its thing. And they're going to be, Green Thumb Industries is a company that is going to be a company to be reckoned with, my friends. Another company I want to talk about is one of the smaller companies, CV Sciences, CVSI. They're a profitable company. We're only talking about $2.27 USD. We're talking about $3.03 Canadian dollars. Now, CV Sciences will be visiting here in a few days. Original Baby Knockout. We got them under 25 cents. This company, my friends, CV Sciences, is a company that has everything in place right now, just like Charlotte's Web. With the CBDs, everything is in place right now for this company to do well. So we anticipate them doing well. We hope to have a nice visit with them, and they're going to do very, very, very well. Another one of the companies that's under $10 right now, just like under 10 US dollars, just like Green Thumb Industries, tell you about is Village Farms, VFF on the NASDAQ, VFF, $9.26 USD, $12.34 Canadian. Now, this company I believe is a gift at under $10. This company has it going on. Their JV now is starting to send product out. So they have a lot of, they're going to be doing a lot of things. You're going to hear a lot from Village Farms, VFF. You're going to hear a lot about them. NASDAQ company that's profitable right now. At under $10 USD, I believe this is a gift, my friends. I'm going to leave you with two more little kind of, we've gotten a few out of the way. I'm going to leave you with a couple more, though. I'm going to leave you with Planet 13. Now, Planet 13, PLNHF on the over-the-counter, PLTH on the CSE. Now, Planet 13's $1.70 USD right now, $2.27 Canadian. Now, Planet 13 really, really has it going on. We were over there. Take a look at our Planet 13 playlist. We've got Planet 13 that's really, really doing its thing. We love Planet 13, and we believe that Bob and Larry over there, co-CEOs, are really doing what has to be done right now. They're doing an outstanding job, and they're making things happen for Planet 13. They'll be expanding next year to Santa Ana area, but right now they're on hit right now, my friends. Let me give you one more stock, my friends. One more stock. These profitable stocks. These are really ones that you should key in on right now. Key in on these, my friends. Last stock I'm going to leave you with is MediPharm Labs. Now, MediPharm Labs is Labs, LABS on the Canadian Stock Exchange, MEDIF on the over-the-counter. $2.95 stock, $3.93 stock Canadian. This stock has a lot of potential. Its tentacles are spread all over major companies all over. They've got agreements with all these different companies, my friends. MediPharm Labs is going to be a big, big winner. Now, you say, Mickey D, where is, where is Organogram? Well, we're taking a look at it right now. Organogram is there. What about the big dogs in Canada? Well, Afria, Canopy, Aurora, they're still on our watch list and stuff. But these are companies, my friends, that a lot of these companies are in America, and these companies have 10 times the market as some of the companies in Canada. So you can imagine what they're going to do once the shackles are taken off of these American companies. They're going to do exceptionally well, my friends. And some of these companies that are profitable right now, or they're just going to go much higher if there's even no legislation, just based on their earnings. I believe companies like GW Pharma, companies like Charlotte's Web, companies like Green Thumb Industries, companies like TrueLeaf, companies like Village Farms, CV Sciences, companies like Planet 13. These companies like MediPharm Labs, these companies right now are going to make money regardless. They're going to make money hand over fist. So it's going to be a good thing, my friends, to zero in on these companies that are making money right now, that are making a profit or in position to make a profit. They come out, Canopy, executives come out and they say, well, Canopy's going to be profitable in 2 years. Well, a lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people on Wall Street don't want to hear that, as you can see by the performance of the stock over the last couple months or so. If we're going to be profitable here in 2 years, we want a company that's going to be profitable. Wall Street sometimes can be very, very, it can be very forgiving, when it comes to certain companies and certain industries. They make a boo-boo and then they come right back. Certain individuals, but they are Wall Street. When you say something and you sometimes you miss, or you're losing a lot of money, and you say, well, we're going to lose $50 million, and you end up losing $60-70 million. Wall Street will hammer you. And once you say that one time, once you get out there one time, and they don't believe anything else you say. So some companies, and I'm talking to my Canadian brothers and sisters in some of these companies, undershoot don't overshoot. I know you already know that, but still some of those companies are making that mistake where they're not really giving it like it should be given. Undershoot on some of these companies. And yes, I do think Canopy at basically $22-23. I think that's a good price. That's a good entry price. Am I looking at? No, I think GW Pharma with this share structure, with the way it's already approved, got stuff approved. I think GW Pharma right now I think that's going to be my aircraft carrier. What's your aircraft carrier? What stock is going to be your largest holdings? What stock can the market goes down and this stock will still, make a little bit of money maybe. But all of these, my friends, can be your aircraft carriers. That said, I've been a little long-winded. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, my friends. And I'll be your eyes and ears at the conferences. And take care of yourself. And those profitable guys, sure, MedMen, all these other companies, my friends. Yeah, I was at MedMen, actually. And they were having down the street, they were having a parade or something, some sort of festival or something. And I couldn't really get over there and talk to the people. So they have two, I'm talking about Venice Beach. They have 2 locations there in the Venice Beach area. So I was able to get to one, but I wasn't able to get to the other here. This is just a week and a half ago or so, last week or so. And that was a good thing, my friends. But love you. God bless you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Give me a like. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Let me know you're out there. Thumbs up. Give me something, man. Let me know you're out there. And we'll be keeping an eye on a lot of these companies because they're profitable or they're within the area of getting profitable. They don't have all this debt and stuff like a lot of these companies have A lot of these companies have huge debt, man. They'll have to sell so much weed and do so much stuff. They've got so much debt. But those particular companies that I mentioned do not have a lot of debt, and they're going to be companies, I believe, that are going to explode. Maybe not when this cannabis 2.0 is coming up with but they'll be exploding in due time, and their earnings will guide them, my friends. Their earnings will guide them. So we'll keep an eye on their technicals. We'll look at their fundamentals. We'll be visiting them. We'll do the physical, and we'll keep an eye on these companies, my friend. Thank you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Love you. I'll leave some links for you for the books at the very bottom. More information. Have a great day. Take care.